Welcome to this lesson on understanding linking words. Fix these sentences by adding a linking word. I like soccer. It's fun. I play every day. You can add the linking word because to combine the first two sentences. I like soccer because it's fun. I play every day. In this lesson, you will learn to use linking words to connect ideas and improve sentence fluency in your writing. First, think of linking words as a bridge. Keep this visual in mind. Linking words connect ideas, sentences, or paragraphs, making writing more coherent. In the sentence below, can you identify the linking word? The soup was hot, so we let it cool before eating. If you said so was the linking word, you are correct. Let's look at more examples of sentences with linking words. The soup was hot, but tasty. We tried the soup, and it was delicious. The soup cooled, so we ate it quickly. I liked the soup because it was creamy. The soup was cold, yet refreshing. In the following slides, identify the linking word in each sentence. Feel free to pause the video to answer the question. The dog barked loudly, but it didn't scare the mailman. I finished my homework early, so I went outside to play. The sky turned gray, and it started to rain. She stayed home because she wasn't feeling well. The baby smiled, although she was very tired. Take a look at the answers below from the sentences you just added a linking word to. In the next exercise, fill in the blanks using a word from the word bank in each sentence. Feel free to pause the video to answer the questions. An answer key will be provided at the end. I wanted to play soccer. Blank, it started raining. Choose from the words but, so, and because. She finished her homework. Blank, she went outside to play. Choose from the words and, because, and so. The cat was hungry. Blank, it meowed loudly. Choose from the words but, because, and so. I brought an umbrella. Blank, it looked like it might rain. Choose from the words because, but, and. We stayed inside. Blank, the storm passed quickly. Choose from the words or, and, or until. Take a look at the following answer key. How did you do with adding the correct linking word? Here we have a table with some examples of linking words. As you can see, they've been categorized at the top by how they fit into a sentence. Feel free to pause the video to study this chart more closely. Now, take a few minutes to choose a linking word and write a sentence by using that linking word. Thanks for watching. For more great content, take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel and visit our website at www.easyk12lessons.com.